Welcome to math class. 3 videos today. English is done, we're starting math, and history would be the last one for today. Yeah? Don't forget, tomorrow and Friday, I see you in Zoom class. Yeah? Remember that tomorrow and Friday is a different timetable. Monday and Tuesday, we start at 10:40, 20 to 11, right? And Thursday and Friday, we start at 8:45. It's an early one. Those are early days, right? 10:45. We do finish earlier. That's a good thing. Yeah? But tomorrow and Friday are 2 different times. 8:45 in the morning, okay? So you need to get organized. You need to get up early. You need to have breakfast. You need to wash your teeth. If you have a shower in the morning, you have a shower. If not, you have it at night, the same as always, right? We get ready, we get dressed, ready for the class. Yeah? With our normal materials. If I need anything new, I will tell you during the class. It won't be anything that different. Yeah? It's things we've got at home, so don't worry. Yeah? Okay. Today, we're going to review 3 things. Well, 2 actually. The first one is our mental math, as every single math class. Every single math class, we need to practice our mental math. Yeah? Very, very important. We need our mental math to be like this. Okay? We need it to be super fast. Mental math does not take time out of your life. Imagine if I go to the supermarket and I have to be with a paper and pen or a calculator to calculate mental things. No, right? Mental math has to be super, super fast. Okay? So, I'm going to do it differently today. I'm not going to copy it because I already have my second part of the class here. So I'm going to do it with the cards that we normally use, right? Again, it's your decision. You can stop the video and write the exercises down, or you can do it just writing the answer. It's up to you. Number 1, 16 plus 8. 16 plus 8. How much is 16 plus 8? 24. Good job. The next one. 55 plus 9. 55 plus 9. How much is 55 plus 9? Good one, 64. Remember to go checking your exercises. 15 plus 4. These are very easy ones. 15 plus 4. 19. Well done. 49 plus 2. Yeah, I know, super easy. 49 plus 2 is 51. Well done. 68 plus 7. 68 plus 7. How much is 68 plus 7? Yes, 75. 47 plus 4. 47 plus 4. How much is 47 plus 4? 51. Well done. 10 plus 12. Very fast, very easy. Is 22. 82 plus 10. 82 plus 10 is 92. 21 plus 20. 21 plus 20. That is 41. And the last one for today. 20 plus 9. 20 plus 9 is 29. Well done, guys. Super. Remember, even though they're easy ones, we need to do them like this. Yeah? We need to have them done super fast. Okay. Now, let's change into 2D shapes. We've been talking classes before, quite a few classes, right? What 2D shapes are. 2D shapes are shapes that I cannot touch, right? They're on a paper. I can't grab them. I can't hold them in my hands. If I'm holding them, it's because it's on a paper, right? Or on a board. But what I'm holding is not the 2D shape. It's the board, it's the paper. Yeah? We learnt about several. Yeah? We learnt about the circle. We learnt about the triangle. We learnt about the square. We learnt about the rectangle, the pentagon of 5 sides, the hexagon of 6 sides, and the octagon of 8 sides. Octopus, octagon, right? How many tentacles does the octopus have? 8, right? Now I've got a picture here with 2D shapes on it. And I'm going to ask you some questions and you will have to answer them. Okay? How many squares? How many squares does my picture have? How many squares? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. Can anybody see any more? No, right? We've got 16 squares in our drawing. How many circles do we have? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 circles. 8 circles. What about triangles? How many triangles do I have in my picture? Well, triangles, we only have 1. Don't get confused. This here doesn't have a line. So it's not a triangle, it's a different shape. How many rectangles do I have in my picture? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 if we count that one, 13 if we count this one. 13 rectangles. And what about pentagons? Do we have any pentagons in our picture? Do I have any pentagons here? Yes, I've got 1. I'm going to change the color for you to see it better. I've got 1 pentagon right there as a house. Do I have any octagons? No, hexagons, I'm sorry. Any six-sided shape? No, I don't. And what about the octagons? Strange one. 6, 8. Do we have any 8-sided one? No, we don't. Right? Very important to know our shapes. Right? And to know how many sides each shape has. How many sides does the square have? 4. How many sides does the circle have? Has no sides. 0 sides. How many sides does the triangle have? Triangle. It's telling us the answer. Triangle. 3, yes. What about the rectangle? How many sides does the rectangle have? Remember, the rectangle is the same as the square, but a little bit longer. So it has 4. What about the pentagon? The pentagon has 5 sides. And then we've got the hexagon and the octagon that we've got it here already. 6 and 8 sides. Yeah? Because I could give you something like this and tell you how many pentagons in the picture. And if I don't know which one the pentagon is, I'll probably make a mistake. Of course, we all know the circle, the triangle, the easy ones, right? But the more difficult ones, we need to put them right there in our heads. Okay? Now, we've been seeing it these past days. This is quite new still. Maybe we know it from other years, but it's quite new still with me. And it is our bar graphs. Our bar graphs, right? Our bar graphs have 2 sides, right? One that indicates the elements, animals, things, liquids, whatever we're talking about. And the other one that indicates the number. For example, I'm going to talk about animals, yeah? So this one is my animal one, and that is my number. I asked a bunch of people, okay? I asked a group of people, how many people like dogs? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 0 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh, not 16, 10. I asked a group of people, how many people like dogs? How many people like cats? How many people like elephants? And how many people like whales? Okay. 5 people told me they like dogs. So how do I make my bar graph? Once I've got these elements ready to go, I make a bar. 5 people like dogs. I go up to number 5, right? Cats. 9 people told me they like cats. For me, it's more difficult because I don't have lines. When we've got lines, like in our math copybook, it's super easy to make the bars because we've got them right there. And we've got the lines where it tells me where to go to. Only 2 people told me they like elephants. And Wales, 7 people told me they like Wales. Yeah? There are many options with bar graphs. They can tell us to build a bar graph, or they can tell us to answer questions, right? So if I see this, let me color it for you so you can see it better. If I've got this, yeah, and now they ask me questions about this bar graph. How many people like elephants? How many people like elephants? First of all, I have to go to where it says elephants, right? And then I have to see, where does it go to? How high does it go up to? Well, only 2 people like elephants. How do I know? Because the graph is telling me the information. The answers are there. Yeah. What if they ask me, which was the highest preference? Which animal got more votes? I have to be careful with those kind of questions, because here I have to look at all of them. So I have to first not go to a specific animal. I have to look at my graph and see which one is the highest one. Once I find the highest one, I have to go and see what it was. So the highest preference were the cats. More people like cats. Yeah? What if I ask you, which was the lowest preference? The lowest one, the smallest one. Yeah? I do exactly the same, but the other way around. I look at the whole thing, but now I go to the smallest one. Yeah? So I go to the smallest one. Which one is the smallest one? Elephants. Elephants was the lowest preference. Right? The lowest preference. With bar graphs, there are many things we can do. We've seen some already, these 2 days that have gone past. We're going to see some more during the week, and we'll keep on seeing, right, during the rest of the year. But there are many things and many questions that can be asked and done. Because it won't be always, how many did the cats get? How many did the dogs get? How many? It's not always the same question. The questions can go changing. And for that, you have to look at the graph and see what's going on here, right? The answer is there. It's not in here. It's not what you think. Oh, no, I don't like cats, so no, it can't be the highest one. I like dogs. No, it's not what you think. It's the information they're telling you. They're giving you the information. It's there. Okay? Short break. History is coming up. We're going to need some materials. Get ready for the instructions. Bye.
Por que tá enquanto tu vê?